How to apply baking soda for your face. Baking soda isn't just for cookies or unclogging sinks, it's your face's new best friend. First, grab 2 teaspoons of baking soda and mix it with a little water to make a paste. Now, gently massage it onto your skin like you're giving your face a spa day. Don't scrub like you're sanding furniture. Leave it on for 10 minutes if you're using it as a mask. Then rinse it off to reveal skin so fresh. You'll feel like a human Snapchat filter. Need a little extra oomph in your cleanser? Add a pinch of baking soda to your daily face wash to send those breakouts packing. But don't overdo it, or your face might feel like the Sahara. Got a pesky zit? Dab that magical baking soda paste directly onto it. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse it off like you're saying goodbye to bad decisions. Sensitive skin? Test it on your arm first, because no one wants to look like they face planted into a cactus. Remember, moderation is key. Baking soda is your skincare buddy, not a miracle worker. Use it once or twice a week, and your face will be glowing brighter than your phone screen at midnight. Speaking of glowing, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more tips that'll keep you laughing and glowing at the same time.